Today we are super excited because we just released Discover Stocks and we added it to our platform walletfinder.ai. So now, apart from going through different tokens in Base, Solana, and Ethereum, and upcoming BCS and Arbitrum, now you are able to also have intelligence on the entire US stock market. So what we do is we take all the more than 10,000 tickers and we analyze different indicators, averages. We do quite an extensive evaluation process and we come up with two important stats. So the section divides in moving now and before the move. The moving now section shows the activity score. So that is ranking all the US stocks according to that activity score that takes into account volume, it takes into account different averages of stats of the tickers, and some indicators that help us kind of indicate whether one looks better than the other one, taking into account their moves already. Now, the section before the move, instead, we have an opportunity score that you see here. That opportunity score, again, it involves calculating averages and also where they are in the move, because if they already were moving, now that isn't as strong as if it's a movement that is, let's say, continuing or it's about to happen. Before the move section shows you stocks that are about to break out. When you open a stock, you see the chart. This is a trading view chart, so you can do any control, any functionality from same as you can do in trading view. And then you have the setup status and the confidence and the setup phase, which tells you if this is building, if it already started moving, so you can take better decisions whether it's already like early to enter or not. And then we have the single breakdown, which takes into account averages. It compares it against the market, the overall market, as well as the sector, and shows you certain percentages and tells you why it is ranking where it is. Take into account that from 10,000, these are the ones that rank the best for having a move today, for example. Then you also have our preset filters. So you can select from these ones. You can also apply multiple filters in multiple columns at the same time. You can then save those filters and then they'll appear here. Then you're able to move around the columns as you wish. You're able to apply different operators. You can apply also filters, multiple filters here, apart from the columns. And in the columns, you can move them from here if you want, or hide them, which is what you do also here. Then after filtering the information, volume ignition, as I said before, you can save your filters, but you can also export data, and it will allow you to export data quite quickly. So this is the Discover Stocks. We are super excited and happy to be releasing this to the world. Take a look. You will be able to reveal a couple of stocks for you to try it out and see what we came out with. And then there's a subscription, of course, as any other platform. And the value that you get from this platform is it's amazing. So take into account that all the calculations that we do in the financial markets here for the Discover Stock section, these are like 4 figures in subscriptions monthly for financial institutions. This is an institutional grade application. So yeah, it's a lot of value for a subscription price. So take a look and let us know what you think. Have a good one.